Sanibonani. Ngiyaza khona namapokoza namhlanje kushube kakhulu. Sanibonani. Oh sanibonani. Webo mfowethu ngicela ukuthi indaba yenkondlo khona into engiyibonile ukuthi indaba yenkondlo imiswe yini. Um um I want this to be clear kuyo yonke into. Indaba yenkondlo I think imiswe udouble Thile. Yes. I strongly believe ukuthi umfana wenkondlo received death threats. Yes. I deeply believe. Mhlawumbe usabile ukusho izolo, but I strongly believe ukuthi umfana wenkondlo received death threats from abantu abazenza inkabi. Yes. Now I get it. I get it. Ngiyacela ukuthi nonke ni South Africa niwehlisa umoya, but I strongly believe ukuthi lo mfana obekufanele release inkondlo uthole death threats, and which is said ukuthi akabanga nalithuba lokusitshela, but ikhona into umuzwa kimi engitshela 100% ukuthi lo mfo kade ethe uzokhipha inkondlo uthole nje death threats, which is not a problem. Akuyona inkinga leyo. But I strongly believe that uswe wayilahla ngokuzoyimemezela la. Mhlambe bemele ayikhiphe angakhulumi. Tabantu, they call you for me Gogo 1 rand. Manager Gogo 1 rand. Ubani Gogo 1 rand? Ngimazi mina Gogo 1 rand. Yes. I strongly believe that umfana lo weLokhunja, umfana lo weLokhunja, umfana lo bekufanele adedele inkondlo. I strongly believe South Africans that he received maybe death threats, then wasaba ukukhuluma futhi ngaloko. Wakhetha ukuthi okungcono abaleke. Okay, but there is no problem. It will be sorted out. It will be sorted out. Yes, but I 100% strongly believe ukuthi ukuthi ke ngizokufaka mina wena nje ubingelele phansi, ngizoyibona i-account yakho noma ulibele uphamise isandla on the comment section. Ngizobe sengiyarequesta mina wena accept. Yes, noma ngathiwa ke ovela ngikho sengumuntu omazi ulungile ngizokusiza ukulelela. I strongly believe South Africans that lo muntu lo obekufanele adedele I strongly believe owamampela ukuthi lo mfana obekumele ededele inkondlo, I believe ukuthi usatshesiwe, but usabile ukusho ukuthi usatshesiwe. I strongly believe in that. Bafowethu ngiyanazi ukuthi nibaningi enifisayo ukuthi nenze okuhle, kodwa I know ukuthi after lokho niyasatshiswa. khona nabanye like laba ba commentayo and stuff like that abalibele bethi mhlawumbe babe commenta after u live bafice sebe no inbox ababasabisayo uma ngabe kukhona ama threats owatholayo ngenxa yo live wethu you must let us know so that sizokhona ukuthi sikuprotect because lento yokuthi nithule nalezi zinto lezi esikanjalo akukho kuhle thina sinikhathalele kakhulu futhi senithanda kakhulu every time I know ukuthi mhlambe ngenzeka ukuthi every time manila ku live kuba khona abantu abalokhunjeni abansabesayo no ningabosaba yes ningabosaba I strongly believe ukuthi niyasatshiswa uma ngabe nike nakhuluma okuthile enifisa ukwenzela uphuthile bakhona nabanye abasatshiswayo so nje lento yokusatshiswa ningayivumeli what
ungisabi bathe bazokunquma wena bathi bazokwazi ukuzasilo lesilo sengube
ushobani le number le I know
yena le number le ithi funa location yakho yonibela uthi ngifuna ilocation kaThabane hey ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu ngithi mina hey musana lo msabe isithabane yenzana nikwenzayo niloke nimsabisa la uyaphila mfowethu
ngiyaphila kunjani
ngiyaphila hayi no bayayisabisela Nkosi yabo abantu basemhlabeni uyabaza abantu basemhlabeni ukuthi bayathanda ukusabisa
na
shasha mfowethu bayathanda ukusabisa abantu basemhlabeni
yeah batheni kuwe bantu bafuna ukwenza isilo sengubo
bathi bafuna wena ukwenza isilo sengubo wena bathi wena umulalo ngithi mina hey aniyokusabisa isithabani nina manje hey yenzana nikwenzayo niloke niye kumsabisa ngoba niyasabisa yingakho ukuthi abantu bazonishanje ngoba niloke nibhizi niyamsabisa
baba ithinteni enough to phuma kule live leya
ngase ngifuma kule live yasemini bafona lalela lo muntu yazi uthini uyangisabisa kwamina uthi lo muntu kimi ashe Nkunzi ngithi yeyeni simakade ngilozi yokulunga phela ngiyasatshiswa ke la kwaqala kathiwa heshe Nkunzi hayi sengiyasatshiswa ngithi mina ya anginiki inamba kaThabane ngithi la awuniki ilocation kaThabane
ngoba inamba yami ihlezi khona
woza la Kena Ntokozo Khazi la Ntokozo Khazi manje uyangizwa ngikhuluma nawe uyangizwa uthi hey uyamuzwa uthi hey le ndoda ibakhathazile uyakhomba ulana ngikhuluma nezikodi bakhathazile le
so le number le yenze njani ifonele asiyakubhalela na WhatsApp
uyangibhalela ku WhatsApp ngikuthumelele engisabisa la cha labantu laba kodwa mfowethu bayathanda ukusabisa ke Nkosi Jehova ngimtshelile ngathi cha mfowethu hayi cha mfowethu yekelana ukusabisa uThabane ngiselele ivoice note ngathi yekelana ukusabisa uThabane ngoba Thabane uzonishaka kakhulu ngoba niyamsabisa ngcono nithule nenze into yeni yali vele umuntu okhulumayo mina ngimthathi rasi umuntu okhulumayo
uthi ke uyabona nje inkabi ayihambi ibuza abantu abasondelane nomuntu ibuza abantu abangamazi umuntu
inkabi siyazazi sini inkabi uyabona inkabi mayiphuma mabe ngitshela ngisho mina ngisho ubhophopo makhuluma ngenkaba ngisho ubhophopo uyatraceka umbone umuntu okay nangu usuka la uya la ecabanga ukuthi hayi akatraceki lo uzofonela mina uvela ukuthi hayi umdlalo ke lo hayi umdlalo ke lo kusasa babulala uThabani ngizothi mina nangu umuntu wangifuna location kaThabani Thabani sefile ngithanda impela mina ngizothi nangu umuntu wangifuna location kaThabani
awuthi ngifake icala eliserious lazi kodwa sizokhuluma ungaqheli ku live li serious kakhulu leli utshele no quality bethune li serious kakhulu leli
quality nayo khona la
ngimbonile kwi video umfana umfana lo nento zakhe
take Mercedes
lo Mercedes omhlophe ayivukile ubiyela mfana
thenga new Mercedes
Maroda
awulunge nangiqhela nje
kubi ngamnye vacation
hayi no sesisukile lapha sesigonye indawo kodwa sisekhona la eGoli
okay akulungile
yafowethu
bafowethu manje ntambama ngizofaka icala elikhulu kakhulu leli cala leli elikhulu icala elimayelana nendaba yaseMpumalanga. eMpumalanga ke kunenkinga ekhona kakhulu. Ngicela lo mama lwaseMpumalanga phamise isandla kwi comment section. Ngizofaka icala laseMpumalanga. Leli cala laseMpumalanga libhlungu kakhulu. Libhlungu kakhulu icala laseMpumalanga. Okay, nangi lapha enzansi commenter ithi ngenze kanje. Cela accept mama ngalapho ukuthi accept. Maso acceptile izoyigibelela. Yes. Kukhona nenye option ngicela uyi-accept noma agree nayo leyo option ikusendelile ngicela uyi-accept noma agree nayo. Yes. Thank you so much. Uyabona kulula kanjani ukungena TikTok?
Yebo ngiyabona.
Straightforward. Ngiyakubingelela mama. Ngikufaka because vele uyakwazi umenzi wokubi. Nawe futhi uyamazi abantu vela niyazana vele, it's not like umuntu ongaziwa. Uyamazi vele. But I will do this just for the sake of ukuthi abantu babe ne clear picture while isikhuluma. I will post him on my backside. Buso bakhe ngithi lokho.
Yes. Okay. That's the guy.
Right. This is his face. So bafowethu ngiphethe umama konje uMrs bani?
Mrs. Ramunyai.
Sorry?
Mrs. Ramunyai.
Mrs. Ramunyai. Ramoyai. Ungixoleleke mina ngikho good ngeSuthu nana. Umenza obubi lo la. Okay. Right. Konje lo simbiza ngobani? Ubani ubhuti lo?
USimphiwe wakabhengu.
Ubhuti uSimphiwe wakabhengu khona eMpumalanga, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Ubhuti uSimphiwe wakabhengu khona eMpumalanga. All right ke igama lakho
uNomfundo.
Igama lakho uNomfundo. All right, ithi ngenze kanjena because bengamtholi efonini ngifonela inkosikazi yakhe because I want to confirm enye into from unkosikazi wakhe before we do a briefing because nginayi lokhonja inamba kankosikazi wakhe because uyisendile ku WhatsApp. Ngiyo check ukuthi ithini Thandiwe Bhengu angiyisavile nabo yisave 146. Okay, I think ile right ke bafowethu pay attention. Yes, iyangena. I think ifane ngiveze la ukuthi ngifonela. Sanibona mama.
Yebo.
Yebo mama. I wanted to do clarity lana because sengifuna ufinalize ifile lini. Sengiyathemba mamoya wakho so ehlile manje.
Bhuti ngicela ukulala angifonela kusasa.
Ngisacela nje ukubuza into eyodwa before uhamba. Uyezwa mama?
Bhuti hayi
Awu mama yini indaba ubaleka ngendaba yamyeni wakho? Angizwa mama.
bhuti khulumani naye angicela ningikhiphani kulento.
But uyayazi mos le ndaba le yemali awuyazi?
Ngala unomfundo uyaphika ukuthi akanazi.
Unomfundo usiphiya kanjani kuwena because thina sihleli nonomfundo manje.
Wayepho waphika.
No, unomfundo bekufanele unomfundo aphiyanga thina. Uphika imessage lakho nethi umyeni wakho uthunyelelwa ama threats khona. Waphika wathi awekho ama threats because umyeni wakho acts in like uyi victim. Wasephika wathi akekho umuntu ovictimizile. Uphikele lokho. So why usuthi
Ngibuzeni yena unomfundo uyazazi ukuthi banikana boba u2 imali manje
wena nawe nje wawu involved kuyona indaba emali kanti hayi wena sifebe somama ulibele ubalekela indaba yomyeni wakho.
Why ungithuka bhuti?
Hayi akuthuki ngiyakutshela nje straight because uyabaleka phela thina sizoncetheza la. Nilibele nisabisa umama la nilibele ncetheza mina ngeke nje ncenga isifebe senja nje. Angincengi nje mina lapho ngeke ngize ngidlale wena. Ulibele uwenza unomfundo isilimi uyayazi nje imali nidlile nomyeni wakho pho ubalekelani. Ubalekelani yini ekwenza ukuthi ubale because ulibele uviya ngoNkulunkulu uyisifebe senje sibaleka nemali. Sukunya wena. Asukunya wena nomyeni wakho. Nibaleka nemali nifuna ngincenge. Wazodaka wena. Asincengi thina lana. Siyasebenza thina lana. Asincengi umuntu. Le mali nidleni nomyeni wakho ndawonye. Nathatha imali yomuntu nayidla senilibele ni-actor njengama victim. Ungazonya wena sifebe senje. Unganye nje. Siyasebenza thina lana. Angeke silibele sitotobisana nawe la. Ngikufone ngoba uyayazi lento lenja yakho le ayifuna ukubamba ifoni. Bese libele ibhaleni nomfundi wabona ama message ami eqhamba amanga. Thina anginendaba recorder uhambe ecourt. Mina ngiyakutshela nje uthi ulibele ubalekela into engekho. Ubalekelani? Into ibalekelayo. Ubalekelani ngoba uyayazi. Kukhulu okuzayo nje ubaleka. Ubalekelani? Umyeni wakho yabona uyabona ke nazo. Sesingaqhubeka mama. Ngicela ukuthi uyivale leyo call mama ekuphazamisayo. Ukhona ofonelayo?
Bengithola imessage sengivali.
Imessage yabani? Yakho umyeni.
Yes.
Ithini imessage yakhe?
I must decide ukuthi who's going to handle my issues. Is it a third party or just us? Because he also has people that he can.
No ungamphenduli miyeke. Sesizoqhubeka manje. Yes. Bengizothanda Max Makhanya bekhona kulolu daba. I don't know ukuthi uphi umfowethu. Sizokhona ukuthi mama sikulekelele because sofanele sikulekelele ngempela. Oh all right. Ulokhunja umama ungibhalele wathi umama ke uvelelwe inkinga. Wamazi kanjani lo bhuti lo?
Okay, ngisuka
KZN. Ukhulumele phezulu. I don't know noma imini obengavulanga volume but ngicela ukhulumele phezulu. Yes.
Sisuka KZN sonke ne. Mina ngisuka eMlazi yena usuka I don't know exactly ukuthi usuka ngakuphi but sisuka KZN sonke. So sasingena eMangosuthu sonke ngo 1998.
Okay.
Besenza sonke i-Chem Eng and then we moved to the side ke after siqualifyile and yeah and saqala impilo zethu ngala.
Okay. So ubhuti benisebenza ndawonye noma wena bowusebenza kwenye ingxenye?
No we besebenza mining both of us. Yena he was in Witbank side, mina I was in Rustenburg. So sazana go from school and sazana ukuthi we went to start our careers in the mining sector.
Oh, okay. So kukhona la akubhalele khona incwadi ekubhalela khona incwadi leyo ngisendele yona whereby ubecela ukuboleka imali kuwena. So wacela ukuboleka malini mhlambe mawuzokhuluma. I know the evidence is there behind me, but ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi waboleka malini kuwena.
Okay, so when he approached me, he said he wanted 2 million. And then I said,
why azingani ukuthi no 2 million? How did the conversation start to happen ukuthi wena umazisi ukuthi no 2 million?
okay, it's not good. I came and said I have 2 million. When I moved from Rustenburg, everybody that knew me knew that because I was working in at the mine for a longer period. When I left that side, obviously my package will be good. And again, I had helped the wife when they were having issues with registration at eskoleni somntwana for kwenza medicine. So she knew ukuthi I'm that person who can assist. And again, we shared the same surname because Ngwagabengu from Ekaya, and then I got married. So she knows ukuthi unosisi who can assist, who has assisted before. But this time
my sister ngama finances before.
Yes, but kungesi imali enkulu, kungesiyo nje imali enkulu.
Malini mhlambi ukusichazela.
Kwaku initial registration yase yokuthi ayongena esikoleni around roughly 2,000 rand.
Yes.
And that was because she had, sorry. She had said ukuthi umyeni is not assisting and ubona ukuthi ingane izohlala ekhaya. And I was like, I don't want ingane ihlale ekhaya. Yabo.
English isikhuluma nje ngesiZulu kuphela. Yes, wehlisa umoya ungajahi. You have all the time. Ngathatha wena ubusukubonga ukhululeke. Ngimisela ukuthi udaba lakho lisolveke. Yes. Yes.
No problem.
Sima lana sithole inkulumo kumuntu umuntu bese simsiza ngodaba lakhe sisuke singabatrainanga abantu ukuthi mhlambe besikwela abantu cha sisuke sikhuluma ngereality izinto ezenzakele yebo bengicela uqhubekeke ukuthi kuke kwenzeka mhlawumbe amboleka imali engaphekwa 50,000 mhlawumbe ayibuyisa.
No, so he had came umuntu wamabhizinisi ne, so he had came
wenza business.
He's into trucking, and he also has yebo nama-truck.
Unama-truck like uyawazi personal wawo wabona.
No, angikaze ngiwabona ama-truck personal. I just it's something that I've heard from engizwe ngaye nonkosikazi ukuthi this business abalranayo leli, and this is in ama-proof.
Okay, so okay, business lama-truck kuphela olaziyo.
No, so urana elokhunjana la eRustenburg kunama plant ekwashwa khona ichrome. So unayo iplant lapho ekwashwa ichrome, and then he can deliver to client who abayidingayo ichrome yeah.
Okay, mana nalapho wezwe kuxoxela noma wafika khona.
Okay, eye plant ngiyayazi because the time efuna edinga imali kwakuyikuthi udinga imali for iplant le ese Rustenburg. So I needed to have proof yokuthi ile iplant and ikuphi la idingeka khona ushoda kuphi, because ukumboleka kwami imali kwakukuthi stranded eplantini and udingeka ukuthi adeliver une client afuneka deliver before kuphela inyanga.
Okay, khona uthi I know ama-plant ase-Rustenburg. Iyiphi plant mhlawumbe akakaze akuxoxele ngeplant ukuthi iplant ikuphi nendawo mhlawumbe kungeyakhe.
Isemoyinoyi.
Isemoyinoyi. Ibizwa ngani leyo plant esemoyinoyi?
So ngoba akusiyo into iplant erana full time or joint nemine kuba indawo ababeka khona their structures and then ayinalo igama like if ufika lapha you won't get ukuthi igama iplant leli gama lalithini no you won't but it's a structure and iyasebenza.
Uyawadinga amanzi noma usase right ungapheniki wena upheniki.
No, right.
Uphenikanga ungapheniki ngisho mawuthola umlayezo nje oyi-threat oza kuwena mhlawumbe uvela kuyena usheshe usazise on our side ukuthi naku la ngithola i-threat you understand. So ngifuna uku-understanda so uku-approach ngamuphi unyaka ukuza kuwe ngayiphi inyanga futhi ne-date ezokhuluma nawe ngendaba ukuboleka imali.
Okay, so it was August 2024.
August 2024.
Yes, uma eng-approach uyangifonela uthi sisi ngibiza ngosisi because office Sherrisbong ngicela sihlangane ngidinga usizo. Okay, ngithi mina okay angina inkinga singahlangana. Then sihlangane sihlale phansi angikhiphele amaphepha a paper of guarantee or something from a client to say ngidinga usizo nginale guarantee nginomsebenzi engifanele ngudeliver to this guy and ngidinga u2M but kwi guarantee letter yakhe yayingasho 2M yayithi 1.6. Yeah, I have a proof sengikhohle ukuthi yayithi 1.6 or 1.5 but yayi less than u2M ayoboleka. Ngase ngithi mina kuyena ayibhuti kuzoba inkinga ukuthi ithi guarantee letter yakho ithi this amount wena ubufuna imali enkulu. Athi no, this is just for a month. If ngideliver kahle this is what is going to happen ngaso sonke isikhathi. Every now and then mangideliver I'm going to get this. So if ngithi ngiboleka u2 ngizokwazi ukuthi ngikukhokhe because vese ngizokwazi ukuthi ngithole ama payment. Ngathi mina ngokusho kwami ngathi ayi but you know what angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngiboleke imali enkulu edlula le guarantee yakho. Fair enough. So what is it for me ke? Mina I can only give you 1.2. What is it for me that I'm going to get? Mina if I'm going to get you I need to get a share. I need to get a profit out of this. I can't just give you 1.2 which lapha ebihlezi khona ibingenzela 100,000 manje mase nginikeza wena.
Ngicela senze kanje masithi 1.2 sichaza ukuthi 1.2 million rand singathi 1.2 mhlawumbe umunye umuntu uzothi 1.1 1.2 1.3 angasikhuluma ngani asikhulume nje ngendaba yemali sibize ngobunjalo bayo.
Okay, so ngathi mina angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngikunikeze u1.2M ubuye unjalo nje usiqhukululo because lapho obuhlezi khona ngikubeke khona ubungenzela ama cents.
Yes.
But said okay no it's fine because I'm standing and ngidinga ukuthi ngithole something going planting. I need to deliver to this guy. Gizo deliver pretty soon. So please borrow me whatever you can and I can start the process. And then I said, okay,
kancane. The time uqeda kukhuluma naye ewubhuti kuwe but kodwa futhi a stranger. Did you take accountability because you are married ukuyohlala phansi nomyeni wakho uthi nangu umuntu la eboleka u1.2 million?
Okay, so the time ngisakhuluma naye I knew ukuthi angeke ngithathe even u2 ngimnike without speaking to umyeni wami. I ngikhuluma naye to finish the transaction. Ngi-understand ukuthi yini ama-needs wakhe, ngi-understand ukuthi ngizotholani na.
Yes.
Ngokulandelayo. And then ngizofika ekhaya obviously ngindlale phansi ngithi okay mina kukanje. Then ngimchazele.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, kancane.
sorry, I had a call coming, sorry.
Okay.
Then
I think
then ngakhuluma
ibona bazama ukufonela ne.
no akusibona.
All right.
Akusibona. Bangisendela i-message ku WhatsApp.
I think yabona njengoba ukhuluma nje I see certain lawyers now starting to comment ukuthi we are going to intervene in this one. So khuleka, I know there will be inboxes to me and akhona ama lawyers azongenelela kudaba lakho. That's why I said to you ngekulekelela ukulivalela private but asi le ukuze uzosizakala kalula. Asiqhubekeke, so wakhuluma nomnyeni then kwenzalani mawuqeda ukukhuluma nomnyeni?
Okay, uma ngikhuluma nomyeni, umyeni uthi how do you trust the guy? Umthemba kangakanani? Umyeni wami umuntu ophansi akakwazi ukukhuluma that much. Ngathi mina no, the guarantee that enginikeze yona from i-client yakhe, it says ukuthi uzoba na imali, he will get paid, even though most yayo izoza kumina with the interest that engithi ngiyayidinga because angifuni uyithola injalo. I will definitely, he won't make that much than he would have made if engambolekanga imali.
Okay, then draft incwadi kwakhe ayilethe kweni. Don't mind my questions sinokublocka ne, ungakhathazeki, sizototobisana nje because ngenzela ukuthi kunezinto enkantolo ezingabalekanga xuma lawela but into ebalekile i-point engifuna ukulekelela even nabameli abalalele la. Ngicela udambise kancane esingisini ukuze nabanye abantu bezokuzwa ngoba lana sesibukelwa nawo ogogo sengikunotisile ukuthi nogogo abadala bafisa ukusizakala nabo bacwila. So siyadinga ukuthi sibeke umoya phansi ngaba abantu lapha besho bethi bayakuthanda, so that's siyakuthanda yeso, ungakhathazeki. Akulona iphutha lelo lenzile ilevel elife yakho ukuthi bono 2 million no 3 million no 10 million akusinto esingayivimba. Impilo zabantu ayilingani kithina mhlawumbe ithi wow kuwena it's just okay normal money yabo. So ngiyacela ukuthi udambise kancane ilokhunja indaba yesilungu because abanye abantu mhlawumbe omunye umuntu wasizakala kodwa manje asakuzwanga inxa yesingisi ukuthi bube yangani yabo. And omunye uthola ukuthi uyafisa ukwazi la usatshiswa khona naye uyindoda eqinile ekwazi ukubhekana nabasabisa abantu kodwa manje asakwazi manje ukusiza ngoba akakuzwanga lapho kuleyo part, you understand. So ngiyacela ukuthi sizama ukuthi sitotobe kancane I'm giving you this day. Again ngasho ukuthi I'm giving you an hour, I'm giving you this day. This evening is yours, you understand. So ungapanic. Ubonile ngithatha isikhathi sami ngakunesa ngakhuluma nawe imini yonke because ngibonile i-stress level yakho ukuthi ayifani yabanye. So I had to put everything aside ngazobhekana nawe. So bambelela ke lapho ungakhathazeki, lesikhathi lesi singesakho yabo. All right. Asikhulume ngendaba le yokuthi ufike kanjani la agrafte khona iletter wena yini wama advise ukuthi ngicela ongcono kube nento ebhaliwe phansi. What happened there?
Okay, so imina engadraft letter. Isizathu sokuthi ngedraft letter ukuthi yena ngokwakhe wayethi i-guarantee le ayitholile from i-client yakhe because it's an original. It's only worth it if it's an original and iza kumina injalo as i-original. So kuyena bekuyi iyona guaranteed leyo. So ngase ngithi mina no because le between wena ne client yakho ngidinga ukuthi kube khona something between mina nawe ezokhombisa ukuthi kukhona i-transaction between thina so-two. And lokho kwakungabi something ngokucabanga kwami kwakuyinto nje ezothi kukhona imali engimnikeze yona beside ukuthi kukhona i-proof of payment, kukhona imali ephumile kumina yaya kuyena and izobuya isi this much yabo. So that ilingakho ke ngadrafta that letter that I have.
Okay, ngicabanga ukuthi lethile, right? I'm sorry to display into wrong on the background. Na ilokho nje, na iletha. Yes, ngisacela uqhubeke sisi.
So ingakho mina nga decide ukuthi sithathe ngebhale this agreement between mina naye, saying ukuthi le agreement le yanginikeza yona ayinalo igama lami, ayinalutho lwami, inaye ine agreement yakhe nelokhunja ne client yakhe. And then kwakukuthi imali izobuya the following month with 30% ye interest, because angeke ngimnikeze wonke u2M.
Okay, then ngibone le screenshot lesi kwakuyilanga lawa wenza khona ipayment kwi-account. I-account kwakuyabani? Was it his account noma was a business account?
Okay, i-account yakhe ye-business iku Nedbank. So ngoba mina ngisebenzisa u-FNB, ngathi it's going kuzoba lula ukuthi ngihambise ku FNB, and it won't ageke ithathe isikhathi. I will just have to ngizokhuluma ne-private bank yami ukuthi if kunama issues ukuthi mhlambe ngine limit nanani, it will be easy if iya ku another FNB. So this one was his personal, not the ilokhunjana company account. Ya company account yakhe ikwa Nedbank.
Okay, so le mali le wayifaka sengicela ukuthi mhlambe ngehlise laba bakwi-comment section umoya. Ungawanaki kakhulu ama-comment mama, ikhona abantu abababazayo, abantu abayazi le ndaba zemali engaka Nkosi yami. Abanye Nkosi yami nasemakubokwazi kwashona makuthiwa nje kuno 70,000, makuthiwa hey kusuke kuhlangene ngempela umcikiciki. Abanye bazi bahamba bengakaze bebe ne-million kwi-account yabo. So angeke sikujaje ngokuba kwakho ne-million, futhi ungafili bad ukuthi umenshina ama-million mawukhuluma. Impilo nje nangokwelevel yila nawe beyadibeke khona. Ngicela niqhubeke nithephe iscreen, ngathi senithuswa imali la escreenini, khulekani. Angisadili nalama 800 enyanga. Sengiphumile esigodlweni manje, sengikhuluma ngeyama-level ama-grade aphezulu manje. Angisakhulumi ngamabhayila, labo dokotela beni bakatemu cha, angikhulumi ngabo manje sengikhuluma ngabantu abamina ibusiness, hayi laba abadlalayo laba cha. Hayi asikhuluma nje ngalaba bama 15 rand abazothi ngiyacela Puthini ungilandele i300 yami cha. Hayi asathetha amacala e300, sesithe ukunyusa izinga. Bengisacela, hayi there's no one's gonna hack anything. Bengisacela ukuthi kube nalabantu laba abalazi iqiniso lokuthi ke kunalento lesithini konje iqiniso lokuthi uma ngabe thina sikhuluma nomuntu susuke senzela ukuthi story sibe clear, because lana kubukela abantu abaserious. Kunodokotela ababukelela, kunamaloya, kunamajaji esengakunothisa. Khona abantu abafana no Africa, ukhona uAfrica besixabana nje izolo ingabe ama-African Village, kodwa ikhona yazi naye yangithanda noma inganginyanya kwamanje ukuthi ngikhonzile ngenyanye forever. Ikhona la umuntu esimaziyo ukuthi is well connected as well. So into la engifuna ukuyicacisa ukuthi every step faneke iphathe something ephathekayo ukuze nommeli noma umshushisi noma ijaji elibukele uma ngabe lithi Hlatshwayo ngiyakuthinta, because ngebasho la public but bangasho private kuHlatshwayo mina ngiyijaji ngiyakuthinta, mina Hlatshwayo ngiwummeli ngiyakuthinta, ngicela ungixhumanise nosisi ngifuna ukuqophela umlando ngaleli cala lakhe bemqophela umlando. ezinye izinto awukhona ukusizakala uma uvaleleke ekhoneni ngoba usisi kimina mayifika uthe uzamile ukuya ecourt but ku-court bathe this is not a small claim wena bebengaqimela nge-5,000 ethathwe inyanga but la akusona i-small claim lesi so le idinga abameli nani so siyamdinga ummeli ongasiqophela umlando ngibeke ecace lokho siyamdinga nommeli ongasiqophela umlando but kunento deep kakhulu kule ndaba le ezonithusa futhi kakhulu but engikubongayo ukuthi lo mfo waseThekwini and kulula ukuthi atholakale right so wena sisi angathi sisaye ngithi mama manje mhlambe nomyeni wakho useduzana azathi hawu ko TikTok bakubiza ngosisi cha yajabula shem asikhulumeke ma ukuthi the time usumfakelile le mali to his personal account vele wena usenandaba solindele interest yakho right ithini indaba okay siyahamba isikhathi iyaphela inyanga and then akasakubhadali uma umfonela wathini mhlawumbe ifirst call wayishakena wathini
Okay, the first time idlula inyanga wathi kube nenkinga eplantini akakwazanga ukudeliver on time but uzo deliver. Okay, sharp. And then I think ukuthi 2 weeks down the line kwaba ukuthi uyo deliver wangithumelela ama samples ukuthi uyahamba uyo deliver ulindi slot ufanele adrop iChrome lapha I deliver khona.
Okay.
Then jiggy that's just after 2 weeks engakhokhanga jiggy usedelivile akasakhuluma indaba ukuthi uzongikhokhela nini. Okay, that's okay. That was September, October, and then in October
ukuphi umkakhe the time senenza ama transfers the time kuba ne meeting yokuqala umkakhe wayekhona.
No, umkakhe wayengekho. So
Okay.
what into engayenza before even ngikhuluma nomyeni ngafonela umyeni unkosikazi Thandiwe ngikade ngihlangane nobafo la uthi nine lokhunjana nine deal in struggle ngo 1 2 3 yes sithole ilokhunjana i-agreement and sine potential client inkinga nje ama funds iplant I run kahle if ungasiza nje sine guaranteed izosikhokhela must deliver just must deliver sizokhokhela ngathi kuyena ngizonsiza ngoba nakho sengiconfirme nawe for me ukuthi cause I think ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi ngibeke ecace lento ukuthi the time ngimsiza with ingane kwakuukuthi wayengiapproachile yena unkosikazi so we ngiyazi ukuthi if kukhona ama financial issues uzongitshela. So that is how I agreed.
Okay. Ukhona mhlambe whereby ungasakhokheleki whereby khamba isikhathi awusayithola imali yakho ke kwaba khona la nilwa khona ke manje whereby sekunembi. Bakhona abantu ke wazama ukuthi bakufonelele nabakhulume naye ukuthi akabuyisela imali yakho.
Okay, unkosikazi, there was a time when I got sick and I admit ngalaliswe esibhedlela.
Okay.
A very close friend of mine wathi yini inkinga uyasazi story ukuthi ngiyakweleta sibani ngizimfethu ngicabanga ukuthi angeke ngithole le mali yami ngizofa ngishiya ingane zami zingena mali ngoba uthi zethi no Simpiwe abayimisele ngokungibuyisela imali yami. And then umngani wami wamfonela wathi uNomfundo uzofa ashiye ingane zakhe zisencane awubi nalo uzwelo lokuthi ingane zakhe zizosala zingena wathi uThandiwe angaze afe afe ngenxa yemali yini imiliyoni from there uma ngitshela lokho umngane wami ngabona ukuthi akukho la ukuthi labantu banozwelo ngempilo yami. And then nginobhuti abangilamayo ngangibacela ukuthi ngicela nifonele uSimphiwe does kwesinye isikhathi akalibamba ucingo unalokuthi nje angazi noma amanamba sengawazi akawaphenduli na. And then bazofonela unkosikazi bathi usisi uyafa la if ayifusisi nawe uzomlandela. Ubuhlungu esengihambise umndeni wami khona lokho ukuthi bayabona ukuthi impilo yami is slowly fading away and ngokubuka kwethu isimo labantu laba abanindaba ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Uyadinga amanzi.
No, right. Kuke kwaba khona isikhathi lapho umyeni wami azamile ukuthi reach out to Simphiwe. Wamtshela ukuthi ngicela sihlangane so that sizokwazi ukuthi ngisize unkosikazi wami in any way, because if ngigazi side lakho le story ngizo understand ukuthi inkinga zakho yini. Wathi usejele akakwazi ukuthi akhulume ngefoni, umsendele imessage wathi ngizofonela mase ngiphumile. From there kuze kube manje akaza ahlangana nomyeni wami akaza akhulume naye.
Okay, all right, kulungile, don't worry. Even umkhwanazi general wethu eCountry uthi their footprints over the phone, so ungastress. The time esho usejele their footprints over the phone, so ungakhathazeki ne. Uzosizakala, ayikho into endlula umthetho and ayikho into endlula amandla futhi. Yabona nje status sethu singabuke ngathi asinawo amandla, but esinawo amandla masekuthiwa ngihlezi ngisho ethi umuntu amaphoyisa wasebenzi ngithi hayi no amaphoyisa mawuqala wasebenzi wena awushaya umuntu la umuntu kumuntu manje ubona umkhwana azokuyeka yini. So uyasebenza ugeneral wethu. I know ukuthi somewhere somehow kule platform sebekhona bayishare yazadlulela phezulu kakhulu lo live because uthinta into ezinkulu, you understand. So mana ke sisi mhlambe futhi awedwa, maybe futhi abantu sebezophumela obala babe baningi. Right, angifuni ukuthi ngijule konke amaphathi estory sakho ukuze mhlambe nayo yitrainer on the other side mhlambe ukuphazamisa indlela ethile sokuthi kusetshenzwe leliqa, but into engizoyenza khona la ngizoyikhela khona phezulu. Ngifuna ukukubuza ukuthi yini yakwenza ukuthi usabe ukuyombopha noma ukuyofuna imali yakho? What happened? Khona into mhlambe i-threat wayithola noma ethini?
Okay, so kulokho ukuthi obhuti bami belokhu befona bethi kanti kwenzakalani lokhu kwenzakalani, if ehamba usisi nawe uzomlandela. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kwaba yi-threat kuyena ngoba kwangakhulunywa naye, kwakhulunywa nonkosikazi, kodwa immediately after those messages were adelivered kunkosikazi wathumela imessage kumina wathi ngithreatisha umndeni wakhe. So ngoba ke usabela impilo yakhe, he has taken this matter to KZN ko brother-in-laws bakhe okungamagcaba brothers.
And wait, mana khona indaba eseyivela manje. So the reason why ngikubuza, it's because ngibonile kuma messages oke wangisendela wona ngibona imessage ebhaliwe ukuthi there is now Gcaba brothers that is involved, and disclaimer, Gcaba family, I'm not accusing abakagcaba, but someone used isibongo senu ukwenza ukungcola, and it's written and there's a proof of that. unfakile ekuqoleni kwakhe abantu, and we have his image, numbers, address, the wife contact, all the calls are recorded. So ngiyacela ukuthi if there's someone that is close to abantu bakaGcaba, as now sekuvela isibongo sakaGcaba, with respect ngicela abantu bakaGcaba bengayithathi offense from umama. Mama is coughing out uvela kwesibongo sabo in the matter that she was dealing with. Isigebengu noma umenzi wobubi ube eseveza ukuthi yena ama-in-laws akhe wakaGcaba, because mawufunda lapha ubhalile uthi you know very well that I never said I won't pay the money. I had to inform the whole family in KZN, including our brothers-in-law, Gaba brothers. What Gaba brothers was it because of these threats? So uzamukufaka isibongo saka Gaba because ubenza ukuncola as protector, mina ngendlela engibuke ngayo, as protector ngokuthi usisi abe afraid ufuna imali yakhe, because umndeni nje wagcaba nami inkosi yami angifuni ukuyimisa njengenkosi, ngiyawusaba nje inkosi yami, hayi ngoba mhlambe ethu uyabulala noma unjani awubulali, ngusaba nje ngoba ngiyawuhlonipha, ufana nomndeni omkhulu eKZN. Esiuhlonipha nje sonke futhi, hayi sonke nje siyawuhlonipha eKZN futhi akusingoba mhlambe beyinkinga, cha, irespect bazenzele bona ngenxa yemisebenzi asebenzile emphakathini ezokuthutha iyo yonke into. So awukwazi ukuthi uvele nje uyobasukela abantu abanegalelo elihle emhlabeni wethu ekuthiwa iKZN. So nangu lapho ubhalile ubhuti wafaka isibongo sakaGcaba phakathi kwale ndaba. So ngiyacela ukuthi abakaGcaba le ndaba ibabhicile, ngiyabacela ukuthi besondele kule ndaba bengene, ngine evidence enough ubanikezela ukuthi nabo behlanganyele ukuthi nabo bethola ubulungiswa ngokuthinteka kwesibongo sabo. Yes, sacela ukuthi ukhulume sis, lana kwafike kanjani ukuthi kufikwe kwisibongo sakaGcaba?
So uSimphiwe ngalokuthi afonelwe ufonela unkosikazi atshela ukuthi if kuzokwenzeka something kumina ngigcine ngihamba ngenxa yokuthi bengangikhokheli, naye uzongilandela. So kwase kuba kuyena kuba i-threat ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe uzobulawela ukuthi mina ngihambile emhlabeni ngenxa ye-stress or ngenxa yokugula because of imali. So wayesengitshela ukuthi yena akadili the way ephuthe ngayo le message yakho ukuthi naye useyihambise kwabakhulu eKZN, and lokho kwangivala umlomo. And if ningabona ungabuka imessage engayisho ukuthi cause ngiyawazi umndeni wakaGcaba ngiphume eKZN nami, so ngazama ukuthi no, mina ngidinga imali yami, not ukuthi ngifuna kufa abantu, angifuni ukuthi ngize ngife ngifele imali yami, ngifuna imali yeingane zami, phela kanjalo.
Alright, I think iyayifike bafowethu njengase Bergville kukhona izibongo ezithile mhlambe esezenze indima enkulu kwezokuthutha abantu, more especially ngokubuka ama-taxi violences nani ajwayele ukwenzeka. Igebengu eningi sejwayele ukuthi zithi mina ngumntwana we-owner, mina ngumntwana wani, mina ngumntwana wani. So ngifuna ukuthi nibe clear, ningalibele nihamba ngenqondo yokuthi mhlambe ningcolisa isibongo sakaGcaba nethi baba abantu bakhona. Abekho baba abantu bakhona, mhlambe ngokuthi bona banamakhumbi sebelibele bethi abantu ya uGcaba, yebo uGcaba, no. Bengicela ukuthi le information le mayelana nabantu bakaGcaba, if there is someone or too close to abantu bakaGcaba, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibenzele i-briefing yami ngabenzela over a video call, bengirecord whereby I'm testifying yonke lento ukuthi ifike kanjani ekuthinteni isibongo sabo, because njengoba ethinta isibongo sabo ube silencer usisi and usisi went silent unyaka wonke, uze usisi waba nethemba mayebona umuntu okugijimisa zonke inyanga eSouth Africa na wonke amaqolo eSouth Africa ongasabi lutho. What? No, there is a fearless person, because wayizami ex-repo but yamphoqelela ukuthi aye court. Then my fear court bamtshela ngamaloya nama-sheriff na yonke into, wabona ukuthi it's gonna be more cost, wagive up. Why said mayebona mina ngikhona ukunqoba ingqinamba zabantu, wabe seyangicontact wathi nginethemba futhi ngiyazi yabona ngiyakwethemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubekile ukuthi uzosenceda wena. Nalo udaba engibhekane nalo bengisacela ukuthi ngiyasithemba isibindi sakho ukuthi wenzoyithini. Mina akayikho-ke vele into engiyisabayo nesigebengu, makunesigebengu nje lapho awukhohlwa. Mina nje zonke igebengu ekhona ezibukele njengamanje ningazi kahle, ayikho into engiyisabayo nesigebengu. Yes, so nansi into engizoyibeka la ukuthi umsabise ngabantu bakaGcaba wase eyathula usisi wasaba because bekumentionwe isibongo sakaGcaba. Uyazi yena umenzi wokubi umfo ofaka isibongo sakaGcaba, angimbeke futhi ngemuva, nangubhuti lo obhale kwi-WhatsApp yakhe wasabisa usisi ngesibongo sakaGcaba. Usisi unayo evidence, masithi there are footprints over the phone. Akhona, there is evidence, enough evidence. So manje ke usisi wafikela kimi, ngamfonela unkosikazi wayiphika le ndaba wathi akayazi. Ngamphinda futhi unkosikazi, ubhuti mina ngeke ngam-WhatsApp ubengangiphenduli mangim-WhatsApp, ngale ngamfonela nge-direct call wangayibamba, ibingangeni nje total. Mangena kwi-WhatsApp ngathi ngiyafona khona yaringa wangayibamba, inamba yami leya evelile. Ngamenzela ivoice ngathi ngicela ukukhuluma naye, wangayiphendula futhi naleyo voice note, but wayithatha le chat yami naye wayoyifaka direct to usisi ngale ku-WhatsApp wakhe, wathi usuyaphinda futhi umthumelela ngabantu, wathi usisi abekho abantu mina engithumelele ngabo. Mangifonela unkosikazi athi hayibo usisi uyaphika la uthi akwazi, wasekhombisa ukuthi unama-IT specialist akhe akade libele eficinga inamba yami yena abe-IP what ukuchecka ukuthi sim card esebenza efonini nanani. I don't know ukuthi bawuthathephi usection 27 law oba i-court order to investigate into emayelana ne-cyber. Uthola i-court order eqhamuka ecourt ekuthiwa usection 27 wezomthetho, la khona wena unikezelwa noma ugunyazwa futhi ayinikezelwa ilunga lomphakathi leyo information ekanje. Iyayinikezelwe umuntu owumseshi nakhona applyela ecourt, ayinikezelwe ukuze athinte izinto ze-IT ezimayelana ne-personal stuff lefika koma-IP address. So I really believe ukuthi kunomuntu who is behind owenze i-IT ovele wasebenzisa i-filing and programming system ukwenza i-POPI Act, wayiphula ukwenza ukuthi athole i-information that was about me nosisi. Kanti manje leyo information nayo uzoyisenda my brother into engafanelanga ifinyelele kulabo bantu kade uyenza against bona. So le information le iyaveza ukuthi kunomuntu who is behind IT owenza i-IT kungenzeka ukuthi lo muntu uya-understanda indaba ze-filing and programming and developing ama-app kabusha nani but leo information yakho uyisebenzise wrong nasendaweni wrong. I myself, I can sue lo bhuti lo. I'll open a case against this. And analysis, you will have to open a case against the IP address yakho kade beyi-obtain. Because akuvumelekile ma umuntu ukuthi ube ne-IP address yefoni yomuntu. Kusho ukuthi kuno njengoba sesibona somatekisi befile bedutshulwa bebanjwa ukuthi bahamba phi bakuphi kusuke kunalabantu abasebenzisa i-IT ngongekho emthethweni but ke i-logging system yaka IT as long as it develop coding kwi-system iyayikhuphe even ne-location where it was created and where it was traced. That's how deep IT is. So noma ngathi uyenze usegoli kusho ukuthi noma ungayilahla leyo laptop ngeke sakulekelela vele ubeke umoya phansi vele uyihambise e-police station because leyo nto leyo I think into eyayifuna futhi nabaseshi like ba-brief ngayo leyo nto leyo isuke seyingasakulekeleli mawukhuluma nje nefoni nayenza noma ngathi wanisebenzisa umahala sim card as long as kuyifoni emesha with the location ka-suspect. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Angifuni ukuya deep ngezinto zomthetho. I'm done. Omunye umuntu uyabuza, wePutin kanti ubani na? Kulungile. Kulungile. Sizothi ke okwamanje akulula ukuthi ubulala umuntu bese uyadabula. Akulula ukuthi ubulala umuntu bese uyadabula akulula. Futhi uyabona njengoba ngikhuluma nje ngosisi usisi now is well protected. Yabona sisi, as long as you have me you are very safe because in the morning I'll request you to go to police station uyobakhombisa ukuthi someone that owes you money while you are busy looking for help lo muntu sene IT behind akusendela ngisho ama IP address ama sim card akho njengoba ubona lapha. Yes, so lama IP address akho kubalekile ukuthi uyokureport e-police station ekseni bazogijima bawumqoqa masisha. I think kuzoba khona ukuchubwa ukuze alikhiphe iqiniso ukuthi ubesebenzise bani and cishe nesystem yakhe izoveza ukuthi unabantu abaningi asebenzisana nabo to scam people in South Africa. Ngale matter yakho don't blame God to be in this matter. Kuningi okuzolungiswa because I believe maningi nama-scammers outside athinta isibongo sakagcaba singahlangene. There are people that are doing dirty works outside besebenzisa isibongo futhi sakagcaba. Abagcaba bazilutho ba-innocent but ngenxa yalo sebebaningi abazotholakala because nabanye abake bathuswa umuntu athi ngile sibongo. Cause usisi mina ngimfonele ngathi mina ngiyafonela unjani umbuzo uyihlobo nabantu bayacaba angazi kwenzakalani njengoba ngathi uyihlobo nabantu bayacaba wathi kimi hayi angikwazi ukuphendula lapho yindaba ubuza ngathi ukuthi ngoba abantu bayacaba ngemazi uyihlobo nabantu bayacaba yabo. Uyabona lapho bese ngifuna ireality ukuthi ngabe shize gcaba na noma amanga yabo. So lama technicians akhe amfailishile because anika isilima le information igcine court kuphela ayiphumele emphakathini. Yes, so ngicela ukwazisa lokhu there are steps that we are going to take from this day. Yeah, we understand this. There are steps that we are going to take from this day. Ngicabanga ukuthi kufike la khona imetha yakho ngikhatha khona. The reason why ngiyikhatha it's because if emaphotholweni ukuthi ifinyelele emphakathini nokuthi naye mayenepokoza ilalele yonke ifike emaphotholweni. Mina I'm going to try as much as I can. King Baga is connected. Ngizozama ukucontact uKing Baga ngisithobe kuyena. Akayazi le matter but ngizozama ukuyithoba kuyena. Ngimcela ukuthi angilekelele. If this takes me to go to Durban ngiyobona umndeni wakaqaba concerning your matter, ngizosacrifice ngiye khona eDurban. You understand? Uma ngabe ngiyakhona nayi number yoyedwa obhuti bakhona ngicela uyisuse masinya Nkosi khona ngicela uyisuse leyo number abantu bakaqaba online because ungayifaki without their permission. Nivumelene nalo bhuti loyo. Nivumelene nalo bhuti loyo ngicela uyisuse fast ngenzela ukuthi kungabi bikho umuntu oyithathayo esebenzise. Thank you. Uzonginika private makuthi nivumelene. Ayikho information yabe kufanele iphume without their permission. So ngizokwenza kanje, ngizothatha isikhathi ngiyocheck ukuthi uKing Baga na ngikubeka lo public because ayekho futhi nokathinta uKing Baga. Ngiyamthemba ngizoyomthola yena uyena uzobe seyangihambisa because I trust that guy. He's my king. I trust him so much. Ngizozama ukuthi ngiyomcela usizo. If this doesn't have to be discussed telephonically, ngizothatha iflight ngiye Durban. In Durban ngizobe sengiya kuKing Baga. Bese vakwaloko ukuhamba kwami lapha it will be private. I'll be in contact with you only. Angeke ngikwazi ngisho ukuvula live mangikhuluma ngaleyo ndaba. Ngizokhuluma nje nawe over the phone. Kodwa wena in the morning please go to police station ukuthi sekunomuntu okwazi ukuaccessa i-information emayelana nefone nama sim card akho nama partner yonke into, which is now in the dangerous for you because it means already you are hacked. Ngicela mangabe uzosuka la uthatha ifone yakho zingaki inamba athi umcontact kuzo zu2 noma iyodwa. Okay, kule phone le eyodwa ngicela ukuthi ungenzele kanje. Uma ngabe usuka la udayele lento ethi #002 bese uyayidayilisha. Can I try it on my phone once? Konke ngifuna ukuyichecka la. I want to check this code because this code is very important masufike kuleyo stage leso sokuthi ubusatshiswa. Yes, no. Okay, ngisakubhekela yona le code le.
Okay.
Ngisakucheckela. Okay. #002 konke ngizama ukucheckela. Okay. Uzothi #002 on your phone. Yeah. Uzothi #002 on your phone. Uma uqeda ukuthi #002 on your phone, izobe sekubhalela i-information ifoni yakho ethi call forwarding all service has been disabled. Kusho ukuthi akasekho umuntu osezokhona ukumamela even nama calls owenzayo ngokwe-IT. We understand. I'm just assisting you public because vele manje so shawe public. Ngiyacela ukuthi efonini yakho nje mawudilika la kwi live uthi #002 uyidayele. Ngeke wadelete lama calls lawa onawo nayo. Izonqamula i-connection between wena nalo IT okade busy nefoni yakho. Thank you so much. Ngicela uhambe uyovula iqala in the morning. Mina I'll be updating you concerning ungayike ulivule eMpumalanga, ulivule eCenturion noma wherever la ku safe code. You understand? Ulivule leli iqala. Emva kwaloko mina ngizobe ngicontacta on my side people that are going to lead me to abantu bakaqaba because I have to verify le information ayiphathile ngabakaqaba. and unkosikazi wakho usivumelena telephonically ukuthi uyayazi le ndaba le. You understand? So uzosizakala, imali yakho uzoyithola. I believe ukuthi God did not send me for nothing. There is something that should pour for you, and ngiyakuthembisa this won't be long. Inyanga ezayo iyophela liphothulekile loludaba imali yakho kwi-account yakho.
Ngiyabonga
May God
kakhulu.
protect you. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
Okay, right. Asibeke kwi-clean screen manje. Nayi lensizwa efaka abantu bakagcaba uNkulunkulu akakunika umthwalo ongaphekwa amahlombe akho. Lokhu esengikunikiwe kuyakhombisa ukuthi sengikwi-level yakho. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangathuka bathi Putin ngathi usungena entweni enkulu kakhulu, but manje kusho ukuthi sekwesinye isigaba sempilo. Mhlawumbe kusuka la ngiyokhuluma ngebhiliyoni because kusho ukuthi ngicotshelwe ukulungisa isizwe la konakele khona. Ngiyacela usisi angayiswish location, ngingamtshela into eningi, mina ngizomtshela private. Yona ncwadi le eyayibhaliwe ngalesikhathi bekhuluma ndawonye wasayina umfukazana lenzansi before imali itransferwe. Wabhala lapho at loan agreement borrower Simphiwe Hamilton Bhengu, owner of Kusaselihle Trading Enterprises Pty Ltd, ID number 7804, account number 1255 what blah blah blah, bank Nedbank. Acknowledge that lender name Nomfundo E Ramonyai, ID number nansi kasisibhaliwe. Yes, ayina nkinga, angisabi ngayo because nawe mawaganga ngayo uzobanjwa nje. Company name ubizo lwethu, company kasisi waseyabhala lapho athi borrowing the amount of 1,620,000 ebhaliwe nangokwamagama. Wadlulela lapha enzansi, but I acknowledge that the amount I will be paying towards her account mentioned above. Wabhala lapho. Kusho ukuthi usisi uthe uma esethi ngicela imali yami, wamsabisa wathi wena uzoba senkingeni ngami nocaba. La i-IT yakho ubhuti ibisebenza i-obtainer i-information ethu personal and private. Lokhu ukwenza phela ngokwe-court order osukuyithole e-court. Yena le IT yakhe ikwenza ngokusangana nangokuphula umthetho. Ngiyawufuna usection 27 lo omayelana nokuyo-obtainer i-information private. Nansi inkinga ukuthi ngingamthinta umyeni wangayibamba ifoni njengoba nimona lapha amanga namaqiniso. Yasiyabhala lapha enzansi ukuthi nayi i-voice note ngiyenzeleni, wangayiphendula kodwa wathatha isibindi uSimphiwe Bhengu wayoyisendela umama. Emva kwaloko, emva ukuthi ayisendela umama, akhona amanye ama-message abese wabhala lawe sesho ethi Simphiwe, I see you aren't responding, is there a reason? Wathi uyamfonela kusho ukuthi uyijoyinile i-call. Emva kwaloko wayesethi I see you started with threats again. Wambuza usisi wathi what do you mean? Waphendula uSimphiwe wathi I mean exactly. Wambhalela usisi wathi Simphiwe, ithi ngisusa ama-comment khona ngizobona kahle because I know bakhona abantu abazothi kodwa Putin asaboni Putin asaboni Putin. Alright, wambhalela wathi Simphiwe, I don't know what are you talking about. I've been trying to get you to pay me. Ngifuna ukuthi ngisuse mina la. But uyachika. I'm telling you, my life is falling apart, but you don't care. I'm not threatening you. I will never. Just that I need my money and my family. All right. So kulungileke emva uthabhale lapho uSimphiwe wamforwardela lezinto nalapha enzansi ekuvela khona ukuthi bekusetshenziswa into ethile ukuthi uSimphiwe emkhombisa ukuthi uyazi kangakanani i-IT. Kulungileke webhuti uSimphiwe Bhengu, nansi la ifinyelele khona la ithi account closed. Okay, what did they threaten you with? What is this? Embuza what life eqamba manga because akaza khulume nathi. Yaqhubeka inkulumo la wathi let's save each other please, I'm begging. Sorry for the long text. I'm not pushing anyone to threaten your family. I'm in the same hot situation, more exposed than you. You know very well that I never said I won't pay the money. I had to inform the whole family in KZN, including our brothers-in-law, Gaba family, because of this threat. Wasiyambhalela wathi Simphiwe, you have backup for the protection of your family. I don't have that, mina. Let's get the money paid so that I won't lose my house. That is crucial for me currently, please. What I really need us to focus on the situation to the matter. All right. uSimphiwe lo bakhona nabantu ababhizi bangicontacta ngasese bafonele noZikode bembuza iaddress yami yona inombolo le ekade libele ngithinta ngasese sekukhona ukuthi ngiyagijinyiswa nje la ngemuva thiwa okwenze kimi kuyeza nakuwe ukhona osefaka ama-thread and aqale ngoba sengithinte udaba lika Simphiwe kulungileke babhemu nazi ezinye inamba ebezilibele ziconducta nabantu abasondelene nami kulungileke lamagama avelayo akuwona wabo actually amagama nje ezinamba ubonayo ukuthi lo ufona ngenamba noma ye girlfriend noma yani kulungileke babhemu yilo mbhemu lo ophekwa lonke udaba njengoba esefake nabantu bakagcaba odabeni lakhe ukuthi bavelele ekuthenini wenza ubugebengu asabise abantu ngabo ngoba uyazi ukuthi umndeni wagcaba uhlonishwa kakhulu nathi siyawazisa including me neHot City siyawuhlonipha kakhulu eKZN uthi awufane nomndeni obe namagalela amakhulu ngisho nakuwo wonke umkhandlu weTheku asikwazi ukubukela phansi imisebenzi emihle abayenzela umphakathi nathi uqobo ngokuthuthi abantu nangokunakekela eThekwini so siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi le ndaba ifike la khona niqonda khona nonke ukuthi lento imayelana nani inkohlakalo eyenzakalayo meselwe ambhemo wenza inkohlakalo aphathe igama labantu bakagcaba angisabi ke ngishilo ngathi ngizocela ukuthi ngiqhumane noKing Bhaka ukuthi uKing Bhaka engilekelele njengenkosi esiyithembayo naye eKZN onamagalela amahle ekulweni nobugebengu alekelela abantu ukuthi mabalwisane nobugebengu ngoba noma ngisukuma ngiqala ngilwa negebengu uyena umuntu owangixhawula ngesandla ngomoya wathi ndoda yamadoda ufikile qina ube nesibindi siyama sizokukhulekisa nathi sikucelele nasemandleni la siwathola khona sonke ukuthi lokho kusivikelayo makuvikele nawe ukuze uhambo lakho ungahlehlele emuva yena ubaba ophenduka ubaba ngokweqiniso abanye babesondela nje kimi ngoba befuna ukwenza inzuzo ngami uKing Bhaka akasondelanga ngoba efuna ukwenza inzuzo ngami cha wasondela nje ngoba lo msebenzi lo ukwilevel yami wawuqala wawushiya naye ngenxa yokuthi level yakhe yakhula emva kwaloko sekuyimi kuleso sigaba niyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaqhubeka uyangikhulisa sengingenela endabeni enkulu kakhulu ethinta ngisho amamiliyoni kade ngisuka nje ko 300 ngawela kuma 1000 ngandlula ngathi 100,000 sengifike kwimiliyoni ekaze siyofika kuma trillion na ngiyathuka mangibona ukukhula kwami ukuthi ngikhula ngendlela engamandla le channel le ibe usizo olukhulu kakhulu la emphakathini kubo bonke kade besatshiswa ngiyacela ukuthi behlise umoya akukho kuzokwenzeka kini lo msebenzi lo engwenza la akusiyo wekhanda lami kodwa uhambisana nogcobo oluphekwe impilo yami uKing Bhaka ngizomcela ufuna ukusho lokho edlangalaleni ukuthi angazi naye noma ukhone unabo yini uconnection but njengenkosi naye engiacknowledgeayo ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona inkosi engeke ingehlule ngakho mangicela ngiyazi ukuthi uzongixhumanisa azangixhumanise ngokuseduzane nabantu bakaGcaba ukuze ngifinyelele kubo ngihlale phansi ngibe indodana ngibethulele lonke udaba ngenkulu inhlonipho bekufanele ukuthi ngilethe la ukuze noma ngihamba ngenza konke kwaziwe kuphume nabanye abacindezelekile becindezelwa abantu abenza inkohlakalo becashe ngesibongo sakaGcaba asikuthandi lokho sonke siKZN simelelene nento ewukwenza ukubi makuphoqa ukuthi kofanele uthi ngidize hayi kusho ukuthi kuyobe sekufika isikhathi ukuthi angidize ngiyofinyelela enkosini ingagcini ngokungixhawula kumoya ngaze ngahlangana noKing Bhaka face to face kodwa mhlambe kuyobe kufanele ukuthi ngihlangane naye kunesigaba la khona ngiyokwenza umsebenzi futhi bafowethu nanokuba niyangibona ngiphephile nginje ngizokubeka nje public icaca ukuthi ingoba ibusiseni ngengiyitholayo ziqhamuka kuwa amakhosi ngiyakholela ukuthi isibusiso inkosi yabusisa ngaso indlulamithi namakhosi ozondo omancinza nabo King Bhaka singaphekwe ekhanda lami akukho kunye mhlambe noma ngathiwa umenza ukuba kufisayo angakwenza ngaphandle ukuthi awungicela emakhosini ami ngokuba mina ngiyawahlonipha amakhosi nabo bonke abantu ababekiwe njengabaholi phambi kwami incitha buchopho abantu abakhulile kakhulu igalelo elihle elenziwe umuntu ofanayo nenceku engaphansi kwendlulamithi engemphakamisa kakhulu ukuthi inkosi yakaMancinza uZondi leyo nkosi ngiyazi ukuthi kube lolu daba belukuye eMpumalanga ngabe kade lulungile kakhulu manje uNkulunkulu naye umgcobelela emgcobele khona naye uKing Bhaka futhi kube bekhona eMpumalanga ngiyazi ukuthi lolu daba ngabe kade lulungisekile khona abantu engafisa ukuyazisa ngisho indlulamithi ukuthi laba bantu esizweni bayihle lihle lakho hlanga lomhlabathi bayede bengisho nje lamagama ukuphakamisa ukuthi uZulu wonkana unamandla futhi mawuzobhekisisa kahle kuhle ukuthi kulokhu uNkulunkulu akathintanga iforeigner ukuthi lize emhlabeni wenu libe nokukhalipha kodwa uyewathinta inceku esesencane wayifaka futhi ebungozini kwakhona abayiqinisayo kwakhona abantu abafana namakhosi njengoKing Bhaka abasondelayo bayivikele beyilwele ngaso sonke isikhathi akekho ngikubeke nje kucace ongaba namandla ukungithinta la eSouth Africa ngaphandle kokuthi acele isibusiso sokungithinta kwindlulamithi nakoKing Bhaka nakobaba uMancinza iwona ke amakhosi mina abekwe phambi kwami engiwahlonipha kakhulu ngenxa yengqinamba aseyinqobile inkosi ayibi inkosi ngaphandle kokuba nengqinamba cela ukuthi ngisho lokhu ukuthi wena phunga elihle likaJama ubusisekile ngempela ekuhlaleni ebukhosini bakho ngokuba kunezinceke ezingaphansi kwakho ezisebenza ngokuthembeka esizweni. Mbali inkosi uMancinza, ubaba uZondi, wena ongabhekwa ngamehlo fanele sigobe sibheke phansi sakhothama sikutuse sikudumise ngenxa yokuthi kwayona lento eyisiteleka yokuxosha bokufika uyena uMancinza wayigqugquzela esizweni asibhekile wabakhipha bonke futhi akekho owamnika ubunzima okusho kona ukuthi inkosi isuka inkosi ngempela. Uyangimangaza mina utusa amakhosi angaphandle kwesizwe ngoba awala ekhaya akhona. Mina ngamane noma ngikhuleka empilweni yami ngithi uNkulunkulu kaMesizulu yena oyindlula mithi, ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngiphakamise amanye amakhosi empilweni yami ngibe ngenziwe umuntu omnyama ukuthi ngizobona amakhosi engibekwe phansi kwawo. Bafowethu, ngiyafisa kakhulu ukuthi ngiyazi kunzima ufinyelela kwindlula mithi, kodwa engikufisayo ukuthi ke ngiphinde ngihlangane nenkosi yakoMancinza ngiyonikhalela, ngilale phansi ngesisu, ngiyimemeza inkosi izibhodle ngithi indaba ezitha, ngicele kuyona ukuthi mayike ibe nesihawu kinina nonke esenilinyaziwe, inikhulumele njengenkosi. Othi makumemeza inkosi amadolo abaphansi emhlabeni ayakhothama avume ukuthi inkosi isikhulumile. Akuyi nanoma ngawubani, mhlawumbe abanye abantu bayasho ukuthi lensizwa thina siyayazi ekuhlupheni kwabo nasekukhuleni kwakhe. Insizwa iba nazo ingqinamba edlula kuzo, zingabekwa kuthiwa olungileyo angawa kayisikhombisa kodwa uyovuka ambathe amandla akhe. Nama wami amandla sengiwambethe, sengimile eqinisweni futhi angisajiki, angisaphenduki, sengiyaphambili. Sizwe sikaPhungelihle kanye noMageba esikajama, ngiyacela ukuthi lesikhonkwane esasibekwe ngobaba mkhulu noShaka Zulu niqhubeke njalo nisibambe, nibe nobunye, ngokuba maninobunye anisoze nabhujiswa, kodwa manihlakazekile isitha siyongena phakathi kwenu sinihlakaze. Khumbulani oyihlo labenishiya khona ukuthi abakaze bona balamba ngokuba yonke into babeyithola emhlabathini babengayitholi entweni zezithwalo nasezintweni eziphuthumayo. Babebekezela, babenothando, bebambisene. Yonke lento eyenzakalayo inkinga ngoba ihlakaza uZulu, ihlakaze ake ngithi nje wonke umnguni ngingabali uZulu, ihlakaze South Africa yonke. Inhloso yokubuya komuntu ofana nami esizweni, ngiyakholelwa nami ukuthi umoya ophila kimi awungangami, kodwa umoya osuke ukhuluma nesizwe sonke. Lona kudinga ukuthi awudingi umuntu omncinyana, kodwa udinga umuntu ongathi uba nesibindi. Nami ngasho ngathi ezinye zezinkulumo nezinkinga engiyithintayo ngiyibuza ukuthi ikungani ngikhethiwe. Ngithi mangibheke emuva la ngiqhamuka khona, isibindi nengqinamba engidlule kuzo zifanele ukuthi sengifike kulesigaba engikuso. Mhlawumbe futhi mangidlula la ngibheke ePhalamende, bonke bayokhala bathi nange sethinta amaPhalamende kwenze njani, kuyobe sekuyisikhathi esibekiwe. Ngiyacela ukuthi belaphi bendabuko nezenkolo asibuyiseleni isikhonkwane esasibekwe ngobaba mkhulu, singasidedisi ngokuba lo mhlaba uyaqhubeka ubhodla amalangabi, ubhodla ububi ngenxa yezenzo, nokuthi sesisuse isikhonkwane esasibekwe ngobaba mkhulu. Babengathathi inkinga zabo bazise ezinyangeni ezimayelana nemindeni yabo, kodwa babehlala phansi bethelelana amanzi bedlisana umlotha kuxolelwane kwakungekho ukuthi babebulalana kwangakaze umuntu omnyama ehlasela omunye ngesikhali kodwa makunenkinga kwakuhlangana induna nenkosi uma kunobugebengu iphoyisa lalifika nje kodwa kwakuhlangana isikebhe sendawo sibe abaqondisa lonke ugwegwe olukhona endaweni kangangokuba senahlakazeka nasusa lesikhonkwane kwase kuyamosheka okuningi phungelihle likaJama ngiyafisa ukuthi isibusiso esasiphekwa baba uMdlokombane esehlela naphekwe inkosi yethu engasafanele ubizwa ngenkosi eseku yindlulamithi yethu abanye ke ngiyayiqala kuleli lenkosi ngoba abacaciseleki kahle kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi leso sibusiso sehlele naphezulu kwesizwe sakhe ubaba uMdlokombane nami noma ngathiwa angibizwa wesibongo kodwa ngiwohlanga ngiyabonga bafowethu ukuthi sonke simile futhi noma kunzima asimene eqinisweni asahlonishwa nabawu bokufika kulesizwe ngoba ithina esusele sikhonkwane esiqine kakhulu esasibekwe ngobabamkhulu obabamkhulu babengahlekeli noma yini kwangakaze kwenzeka ukuthi abantu begqugquzele uphuzo oludakayo ngamandla kangaka nokubulala kangaka nokudlwengula kangaka kwakuyichile libi ukubona intembi endaweni ishayelwe izandla kodwa kwakuba nejezi sethile ngisho namuhla abanye abadala kunami abakhulile abayizimpunga bangiyahluleka namanje ukubanika inhlonipho ngenxa yokuthi ubudoda abukhulelwa kodwa kuyadingeka ukuthi mawusuyindoda uzwakale ngolimo nangobuchwepheshe onabo emqondweni wakho ukuthi wena ujule kanjani ngobuchopho bakho izinto eziningi abasikhulumayo azakhi kodwa zibhidlisa sona isizwe sikaJama kuvuka ulaka kimi okungalona ulaka nje oluswelukimi kodwa nami ngiyayibona mase ngiphume kulo ukuthi lolaka bengabona mina bangaziya abakhula nami bazokutshela ukuthi lona lolaka senala silazi lavelaphi kuningi engahluleka ukucompromise okungamanga ngaze ngicompromise ngihlezi ngalimela leliqiniso nganikezelwa ingqinamba zokulimela emndenini wami ngahluleka ukunetheza kubantu ababeshaya abazali babo benza konke okubi ngaphakathi emndenini ngengezwe inyanga yeshumi ngithinta ithi ngikwazi udiphu wemfo wahlatshwayo ngikwazi idiphu ekhakini ngakhuluma nayo ngathi awungazi ngicela ukukuchazela kahle ukukhula kwami kunzima kakhulu kunalento kodwa researcher mhlawumbe okunye ongakufica kuhlakazekile emndenini kukhulu kunabanye asebaduba ngisho amathuna kwahlukaniswa ngisho izingcingo la ngizalelwa khona ngoba akuzange bekhona ukulungiswa abalaphi bendabuko abawulaphile umndeni wami bawuhlakaza yiyo lento esengiyikhuza ukuthi mayingalweli komunye umuntu lento le ngiyafisa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ayiqaphele yekelana ukuhamba niyonukana nemindeni yenu kubelaphi bendabuko abelaphi engibafisela kona ukuthi bephakame bezikhuze enhlizweni zabo nasemiqondweni yabo mase umuntu eyakhumbula ukuthi yini lokwelapha futhi welapha ini hayi ugijima nezinyosi namagula naye yonke into le engenamsebenzi nokubulala abantu nokuthatha amafutha ezothamlilo namafutha omlungu kodwa bayekela ukukhanda imikhovu behlonipha indabuko kube ukuthi bathola amakhambi okubulala ngisho isandulela kanye nomdlavuza nezifo eziqinile ehlukumeza isizwe sikaJama besukume bekulwele lokho bebuyisele isikhonkwane sobabamkhulu kwangekho ukunukana kangaka umuntu ubezazi ukuthi unamapha amakhono eqikelela ngisho ukutshala avune adle nomndeni bengalambi. Kodwa namhlanje akusekho lokho ngoba sesintekenteke. Sizwe sikaJama kufanele sihloniphe indlulamithi noma ncinza ababekiwe baba abaholi bethu. Sibuyele eqinisweni sibamsane nabo ukuphindisela lento yashiwa ubaba mkhulu kithi. Indlala ayikho eSouth Africa kodwa ukuhlakazeka kwenu ikona lokhu okunibeke lapha enikhona. Bengicela ukuthi uhulumeni aphinde abacabangele abalaphi bendabuko behlonzwe behlolwe ngokwezitifiketi zabo nangokwelapha kwabo nangamakhambi abawathunyiwe ukuze akhona ukuthi abenzele isalari noma ngithi imali yenyanga nje eyisibonelelo sokubabhekelela njengoba begijima amahlathi ayingozi begijima izindawo. Ngokwenze njalo uhulumeni uyokulekelele ngoba bonke labantu babe bephunyulile emlonyeni wengwenya. Abelaphi bendabuko abaningi nabo abanawo amathuba emisebenzi. Ubavalele ngaphandle wathatha lokwelapha kweWestern Africa. Lokhu sekwenze ngathi nathi asinabo abelaphi kwabacindezela nabo bahluphekile bacindezelekile sebeze bebona omunye umuntu odinga usizo eseyisinkwa phambi kwabo. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ubenzele uhlelo lesibonelelo bonke abanalo iqiniso ubenzele ngokubahlonza ukuthi lokwelapha kwabo ubanike iguli besiphilise phambi kwamehlo akho ukuze uzokhona ukuthi ubabeke phambili ngoba lokuthi bebanjwe indlala kuyabalimaza bagcine sebelimaza nasi isizwe. Kwanda nobugebengu njengoba bethatha izumbulu kubantu abazenzi. Kubhlungu ukubona ontanga yakho begijima ngezimoto ezibizayo wena ulibele uphethe amakhambi uthi uyelapha. Cela ukuthi wonke umuntu ekuhloniphe okuthiwa kulobizo oluswele uphezu komuntu naphekwe impilo yakhe. Siphakeme siyabonga.